Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at Gucci eyeglasses model GG0490O in color code 005. The color of the frame is black. On the glasses are protective bags to make sure that they don't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are also square shape. On its temples, you'll find the Gucci logo. You'll also find the Gucci logo engraved on its bottom right lens. On the inner right temple, you'll find the Gucci logo in gold, that it's made in Italy, as well as the serial number. On its inner left temple, you'll find the model number, the color code, and the dimensions of the frame. 53 is for its lens, 17 is for its bridge, and 150 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Gucci hard case, although color and style may vary. A Gucci envelope, which holds a Gucci card of authenticity, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is carrying a Gucci cleaning cloth and a Gucci dust bag. With the Gucci logo on it. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.